Dear students, in this video we are going to see uh, the air cooling system in engine. In the air cooling system, the heat is dissipated directly to the air by after being conducted through the cylinder walls. Air cooling system have fins and flanges on the outer surfaces of the cylinder. The amount of heat dissipated based on the following factors: the surface area of metal into contact with air, the rate of air flow, a temperature difference between the heated surface and the air, and finally the conductivity of the metal. Okay, let us see what are the components involved in air cooling system of an engine. The cooling fan is placed in a semicircular ducting. So this is the cooling fan and it is placed in this kind of semicircular ducting. So the ducting covers the cylinder head. Its interior is fitted with the baffles which direct the flow of air over the engine cooling fins and through an air cooler. Below the cylinders, the air is delivered over a thermostat which operates a valve via a lever. The valve controls the amount of air reaching the fans, thus maintaining the correct engine temperature. After passing over the engine and the thermostat, the air is forced out. The air is forced out of the rear of the vehicle or passed through a heat transfer system that supplies hot water to the vehicle's heater. One problem connected with the use of air-cooled engines is the requirement of enough heating and demisting system for the vehicle. In case of water-cooled engines, it always have a constant supply of water, and it is easy enough to convert this into hot air. So air-cooled engines usually have an independent heater or a harness the heat of the exhaust system. So some of the older model vehicles have a heating system that combine both of these methods. An electrically operated heater which burns petrol supplied hot air to the vehicle interior by way of a blower fan. So some of the advantages of air cooling system in engine are: it is very lighter in weight due to there is no radiator in the system, cooling jackets and coolants in the system, and no topping of the cooling system is required, and no leaks due to the guard against and the antifreeze not required. So hence it is not a liquid type of cooling system, so antifreeze is not required, and the engine warms up faster than with water cooled design. So this system can be work in cold climates where water may freeze. And some of the disadvantages are it is a less efficient cooling system because of the coefficient of heat transfer for air is less than that of water. So it is not easy to maintain even cool around the cylinder. The cylinder deformation can occur, and it is more noisy operation. So limited use in motorcycles, scooters where cylinders are exposed to the airstream. Okay, so this is the setup and the working of air cooling system in engines. Thank you.